In today's fast-paced world, many of us find ourselves overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, and distractions. We're constantly juggling multiple tasks, racing from one thing to the next without pausing to catch our breath. This frantic pace can take a toll on our mental and physical well-being, leaving us feeling exhausted and disconnected. But there is a solution. Mindfulness meditation offers a way to step back from the chaos of everyday life and reconnect with the present moment. By cultivating a practice of mindfulness, we can learn to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and find a greater sense of peace and clarity. In this session, we'll explore simple strategies to help you begin your mindfulness journey. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, these techniques can help you find calm amidst the chaos and bring greater balance to your life. So let's begin. Technique number 1. Find a comfortable position. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion or chair, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently, or keep them softly focused on the ground in front of you. Technique number 2. Focus on your breath. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Allow your breath to anchor you to the present moment, letting go of any distractions or thoughts that may arise. Technique number 3. Engage your senses. Bring your awareness to your senses. Notice the sounds around you, whether it's the chirping of birds or the hum of traffic. Feel the sensation of the air on your skin and the ground beneath you. Take in any smells that may be present. Engaging your senses can help ground you in the present moment and deepen your mindfulness practice. Technique number 4. Practice non-judgmental awareness. As you continue to meditate, thoughts and emotions may arise. Instead of getting caught up in them, practice observing them with curiosity and without judgment. Notice them as if they were clouds passing by in the sky, acknowledging their presence before gently letting them go. As we come to the end of our mindfulness meditation session, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Remember that mindfulness is a practice, and it's okay if your mind wanders or if you find it challenging at times. With regular practice, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace, clarity, and presence in your life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on mindfulness and well-being. Thanks for watching, and remember, peace begins with a mindful breath.